Please save me. Save me from this bondage. Please, I'm dying.
Isondo.
Please.
Isondo. Isondo, I'll save you.
Save me, please.
I will.
Save me.
I'll save you. I will.
Save me, Mom. Please save me. I'm dying. Please.
Isondo. Isondo.
Please save me, please.
I will save you. I will. That's a promise. I will. I will. Isondo on handcuff and blood gushing out of his mouth. Afam. Hey! Afam, Mama! Afam! Get up, please. Don't do this to your mother, Pico. Get up, please, get up. Don't do this to me. Pico, I'm begging you. There's something I want to tell this. Get up, Pico. Get up. You have to do. Pinier, Afam Pinier. Level is okay. I think you are quickly getting back on your feet, Dad.
So I can now eat whatever I want to eat and no more drugs, right?
I know you want to eat everything. I know you want to taste everything. And I only know that you are fastly recovering because you want to eat all these things. But you have to stick to your medications.
Afam, you're supposed to save me from this sickness and not to kill me with more drugs and equally stop me from eating what I want to eat.
I'm trying to save you, Dad. And the only way to make that happen is sticking to your medications. Sorry, Dad. Beware, Dad. I will see you when I get back. Probably get more drugs for you to take. used the exact trick you told me you used on Mom.
Oh, you can say that again.
She was busy staring at me.
Really?
I'm telling you the truth, Dad.
That's good.
She was standing there looking directly into my eyes.
Wonderful. You know what, son? I love you so much because you have learnt a lot from me. I'm so proud of you. Those are tricks that will never fail anytime, any day.
I know, Dad.
Okay, so where exactly is she from?
She's from Obioma Kingdom.
What? Obioma Kingdom?
She is the first daughter of the retired principal of Obioma Secondary School.
Unfortunately, son, you cannot marry from Obioma Kingdom. Yes. Obioma Kingdom has been fighting with us for so many years now. We are enemies. They are our enemies. You cannot marry from there. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Son? Afam? Oh, I caught you there. I was only joking.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes.
Almost caught me, Dad.
Of course I did.
Don't play like that with me again.
No, seriously, you can marry from anywhere you want. I was only joking, seriously.
Thank you so much, Dad.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, so when am I going to see your girl? What am I going to see her?
Once I propose to her, she says yes. I will bring her immediately.
I can't wait, son. I can't wait.
I know you can't. I know you
Oh.
can't. Thank you, Dad.
I'm so proud of you.
Greetings, Your Majesty. That is smelling. I can still smell that hovering around this royal household. The great shrine of Mbabuawa shall be revisited with every member of this royal family for cleansing. Or this palace shall be doomed. Your Majesty, and
Your Majesty, Your Highness, Your Highness, Your Highness, somebody, Your Highness, Your Majesty, somebody, go. Who is it? Hey, my king.
Why you shout?
The king just slumped. He seems to be lifeless. Hey, somebody. Hey. Your Majesty, Your Majesty. I need to get the queen.
It is over 3 months.
Since we've been waiting for Izindo to come back from Indonesia,
so that we can commence with the burial arrangement of our late king. But until now, he is nowhere to be found. We can't continue to wait endlessly for someone that may not even make it back alive. So it is time for us to start the arrangement.
Start what? I'm asking you, Ozoma, to start what? And who told you that my son will not come back alive? Who told you that? Prince Izondo is the first son of the king, and he will return to commence with the arrangement of his father's.
You lie! I said you lie! I am the first son of this family. And I am the one that's going to be the king, whether you like it or not.
I see.
We cannot continue to wait for someone that is in long far Indonesia, that we're not even sure that he's going to make it back alive. So, you people should adhere to what my mother is saying if you want the forward of this kingdom.
he's an ex-convict.
So, Prince Izundo is in prison in a foreign land, and I, you know, is hearing it for the first time.
Oh no, my son had a little problem and will soon be released. And we're back to commence with his father's burial.
Oh no, don't be deceived. If you know the country we are talking about, almighty Indonesia. As far as I'm concerned, Izundo will never make it back here alive. Nah, police in Indonesia are the Kwasindo. Talk more of the kind of crime he committed. Now when he pushed drug. Alright? So I advise that you people crown me the king. I mean, his only son you are seeing here that is alive.
Don't over my dead body! Over my dead body, Uchechi! Will you succeed the king? Not while Prince Izundo, my own son, is alive.
And you will die.
Oh, he's in prison. Oh,
I see.
He can never make it back here alive.
Oh.
As far as I'm concerned.
Is that what you think? Let me tell you. That Prince Izundo is in prison. They locked him up. Does not make him a criminal.
And he will be killed over there. So my son...
Oh, you shut up! You senator!
Sit down!
Sit down!
Sit down!
Nothing!
My
You
queen.
lost everything.
Can't you feel my presence here? Now listen to me, my queen. We have waited so long for your son to come back so we can bury the king. It's a shame that you know who of this great kingdom is hearing for the first time that a prince of this kingdom is in a foreign land in prison. I give you 1 month. Just 1 month. And if he doesn't come back, I and my cabinet members we bury the king in his absence. And then we shall proceed to crown his younger brother king of this great kingdom. And then
I give you my word, Onowu. My son, Prince Izundo, will be back. Don't shut up! Don't shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Let love unite us. Let peace surround us. Let joy reinforce us. Oh yeah. 'Cause destiny approves us. Oh no.
Mommy, you need to calm down. Please.
One family. Oh yeah. Oh, but I ain't in there.
You say calm down? You want me to calm down? when Uchechi is at the verge of taking the throne of Abagana from my son. From my son. You want me to calm down? Just like that? Just like that? Allow him take the throne that belongs to my son? No. This is too much. It's too much. I know. Definitely, I know it's bad. Yes! Oh. I know it. I am sure if Afam is alive, he is not going to stay and watch them take what rightly belongs to his elder brother. He's going to fight and protect it. Oh, this is too bad. This is too bad. Too bad. Too bad.
I know, Mommy, but I don't want you to think towards that direction. Whatever Uchechi and his mother are planning can only work if Izundu is not back within a month. So we better start now and plan for his release.
What have I not done? What have I not done? What have I not done to get him released? What? Oh.
Mom, you've tried. I heard Ogazi is back. Yes. He's back. I suggest you go see him. You know Ogazi is Izundu's best friend.
Yes.
And I know he can help.
Yes. Yes. Ogazi. The one that lives in Indonesia.
Exactly.
Is back.
Yes, Mommy.
I think I have to see him right away. I have to see him right away. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ogazi, my son has just 1 month to be back, or he will lose the throne to his stepbrother. And I do not want that to happen. See, I want you to help me. Look out for your contacts, please. Do anything. Just name the price for him to get released. Please.
Your Majesty, your son was caught with large quantity of cocaine. And you know the Indonesian government, they do not pardon those found with drugs. So what we should be concerned about right now is his safety and not the throne on who to ascend or not.
Ogazi, hold on a bit. Come on, you've lived in Indonesia almost all your life. You have a lot of contact, you know a lot of people. All I want you to do is spread your net. Let your people involved, get them involved. I want you to get my son released. I do not want him to lose his right to that thing. That good for nothing boy. I do not want him to lose what is rightly his to that pauper. No, not while I'm alive. Please, you need to help me. Please. Yes.
Okay, Your Majesty, I will see what I can do to that. You see, your son is my best friend, and I wouldn't want him to lose the throne, not when Ogazi is still alive.
Thank you. Now you are talking. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no.
My prince.
Our kingdom needs a king. We can't continue to wait for someone that can never, in fact, or do all the possible no that Izundu will return to this country alive.
How can you say a thing like this about your brother?
Mbaburo, how can you say a thing like this about my brother? Do you even know the country I'm talking about? Indonesia. Do you know the kind of crime he committed? When a trailer load of drugs, and the only way is to put him to death. He must go in for it.
How can you say a thing like this about your brother?
But overall, how can you say a thing like that about your brother? I'm telling you the fact. If you know this country we are talking about is a no-nonsense country. Talk more of pushing drug, hard drug. Nah, think of it now.
So there is no need in wasting time in crowning me the king of Abagana. We need to plan on burying my father. Put that crown on my head.
My prince, I think you should make more effort about your brother's release. Not asking me, oh no. Remember, he is the only surviving stepbrother that you have. That should occupy your mind now than asking me, oh no, of this kingdom to crown with a king. Please.
Oh no.
My prince.
I know it will be very, very difficult. In fact, it won't be possible. But even though I need to try, I can't do that as an ordinary man. I need to be a king.
There is what is called power of immunity. If you crown me the king, I will try, even though I know it's impossible. In fact, now, Afia Bozi Zuon, because he is as good as dead. He is not coming back here alive. You don't even know the country I'm talking about.
Well, my prince, in few weeks from now, your brother should be back. And if he doesn't come back, I will know who of this kingdom will crown you the king. Because the throne of Abagana kingdom must not continue to be empty. And my king should not continue to be in that mortuary.
Let love unite us. Let peace surround us.
He's trying to ruin everything. Eh? Why should you do that? He said we are not going to do anything except after the expiration of the 1 month he gave to my son. As if he doesn't come back, then there shall be a burial and a coronation. Then my darling, we have to make specific and personal arrangement for your father's burial and coronation of your brother. Don't worry your pretty head. The Zulu I know is not coming back here in the next 20 years. Trust me on that.
Mother, he might be back sooner than we expect. Yes.
What made you say that?
Ogazi's sister told me everything. She told me that Izundu's mother came to their house, pleading with Ogazi to help them release Izundu. And you know what that means? Ogazi and Izundu are best friends, and he will do everything within his powers to make sure that he's released. And we don't want that. We don't want it.
Princess, how sure are you on this?
Chioma is my best friend, and she cannot lie to me.
That woman thinks she has long legs. But I will tell her, Kunozioma, I have longer legs. Excuse me.
Mother.
I was told that Zundu's mother was here a few days back concerning her son in prison. I understand that she wants you to help her with your contact to get him released. Is that true?
Yes. You're correct.
I do not want you to help her.
Why? Do you realize you're talking about your elder brother?
100%.
Enlighten me more on this. Why don't you want me to help him? I mean, why don't you want me to help him get out from that deadly prison? Why?
Because I want to become the next king of our Bagana kingdom. And if he shows up within 1 month, that dream will be tarnished.
With all due respect, Prince Uchechi, I don't know what your intentions are, but my intention is to make sure that my best friend, Prince Izundo, is being released from that prison. And now that her mother is fully involved in this, I will make sure that I get him out from that place. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Straight to business. You see, I understand quite well, alright, that Izundo is your best friend. And I'm equally making my way to be your best friend. I will give you the sum of 20 million naira to make sure he is not released from that prison.
Your Majesty, I have contacted my lawyer in Jakarta. And guess what, Your Majesty? I bring good news to you. Yes. My lawyer told me, in fact, he confidently told me that he can get your son out from that deadly prison in 14 days.
Wow.
Yes.
That's nice. Then let's start with the process.
Your Majesty, this is needed. He needs money. He needs money to finance the process.
Okay. Like how much are we talking about here?
15 million naira. 15 million.
15 million naira.
Yes. 15 million.
You know, I just lost my husband and a son. Where am I going to bring such amount of money?
Your Highness, and you do not want to lose another. And the throne of Obagana kingdom. You don't want to lose it either. Your Majesty, you are royalty. Yes, you can borrow money from the bank. Yes, we are talking about life here. Life. Let us secure his life first, before any other thing. I personally, Ogazi, I do not associate myself with these kind of things. But I'm doing this because of the relationship I have with Prince Izundo. He's my best friend. And that is why I'm here today.
I'll try.
Your Majesty, let me remind you this. Remember, Joko Widodo, do not pardon those that are found or caught with drop of cocaine. Talk more of large quantity of it. Your son was caught with this. He was found with cocaine. And if the matter happens to go to court, that man would not hesitate to kill your son. Yes.
Tell me, who is Joko
Widodo?
Yes.
Your Majesty, that man is the president of Indonesia. He's a very powerful man. Your Majesty, please do all you can to make him out from that place. Please.
Mother. Please save me. Save me from this bondage. Please, I'm dying.
Izundo.
Please.
Izundo, I'll save you.
Save me, please.
I will.
Save me.
I'll save you. I will.
Save me, Mom. Please save me. I'm dying. Please.
Izundo.
Please save me,
That's a promise. I will. I will.
My friend, the car is okay, but I can't afford 4 million naira.
This car is a gift from my husband. If not for my pressing need, I wouldn't have thought of selling it. Give me 4 million naira and the car will be yours.
I understand, but I don't have 4 million naira. But I can give you 3.5 million. Last. Just think about it.
Cause destiny approves us. Oh no. I knew one day, one far away. Oh yeah. Oh, but I ain't in there. You go for one people. Oh yeah. When hate divides us. Oh no.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to bring out my expensive gold jewelries.
Okay.
To see if I'll sell them, add up to the one I have for your brother's freedom.
Mommy, you have sold your car. And now your gold jewelries. Oh, come on, Mommy. Mommy, haven't you sold enough already?
Okay.
Mommy.
Isundo is my only son.
I know.
I can sell anything, do anything, so that he will be back here. Yes.
See, Mommy, here's a check of 4.8 million naira. Add it to the one you have. Mommy, don't. Don't do this. Please. Don't do it, Mommy. It's okay.
Thank you. Ogechu, thank you.
Mommy, you don't need to beg me. You don't need to beg me. Zulu is my only brother. And I can do anything, I mean anything, to free him from that deadly prison.
Not just the prison, but for him to come back here and take the throne of Abagana, which is rightly his.
Yes.
Yes. That is where he belongs. The throne. Here is the check. We don't have much time. I want the lawyer to start immediately.
Your Majesty,
I will send the money to him immediately. The lawyer told me that your son will be released in less than 14 days. You can trust me on that.
Thank you.
This will go a long way. Izundu is my best friend, and I will do virtually anything, everything within my powers to get him out from that prison.
Thank you.
You can count on me.
Always.
Anytime.
I beg to take my leave.
Alright.
Oh no. Once again I say welcome.
Thank you very much.
Iche. None.
Thank you, my queen. Yes, my queen. We came to find out how far you've gone towards Prince Izundu's release.
Yes.
Because the burial of the king is fast approaching.
Oh, that. My son will be back before the burial of his father. Yes. What you people should be telling me is how far you've gone with the preparation of his coronation.
Unfortunately, my queen, there is absolutely nothing we can do without the prince being around.
Yes.
Nothing.
Prince Izundu will soon come back. Yes.
It's okay. In that case, if there is anything you think Uno can do towards the release of the prince, my queen, do not hesitate to let me know.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. But his release is secured.
Is that right? We must be on our way.
Yes.
Uchechi, I heard Queen Honor is selling all her valuable properties, including her car, to pay off her son's release. Are you aware of that?
Fully aware, mother.
You know? And you're still here?
That is because I have everything on lockdown.
Uchechi, all our plans to make you king will be destroyed if that boy show back in this kingdom alive. Everything will go to ruin.
Mother.
Are you drinking?
Look at me. Do not stress yourself for any reason.
How?
Moabo Mwezekibia is assuring you Izundu will never return to this country alive. Or possible.
Now you're talking like the boy I gave birth to. This is more like it. Now I can drink to that.
No, you can. Cheer to that.
Cheers.
To the latest king in town.
You promised me that my son will be back in 14 days. Today is the 11th day. I have 3 days to the deadline. What is going on? What is happening? I'm losing it.
Your Majesty, the lawyer is still on it. I'm pretty sure he will come up with positive news before the end of today.
He needs to. Yes, my son is about losing the throne. My son is about losing the throne. So I have to do something. It's a promise you made to me that my son will be released in 14 days. Eh? Listen, please. He needs to do something. Okay? I want his release to be secured. That's what I'm concerned about. Please.
I will try, Your Majesty. I will do my best to make sure he is released. I will.
Remember your promise.
Sure, I will.
You chose a funeral date for the king in the absence of his first son.
Seriously?
I think you call it first son. No, what is first son? Is that animal, place, or thing?
Property.
Nah, I am the first son and the only surviving son of my father. So I have the right to choose a suitable date for his burial.
Madam.
Mogo.
And my son's coronation comes immediately after the burial ceremony. I hope you have a good tailor that will hasten your soul so that you don't lose out in the coronation. Ciao!
Let love unite us. Let peace surround us.
We have really waited so long for your son to come back and bury his father, our king. But circumstances beyond our reach restrained him from coming back to bury the king. But that will not stop us from moving further with the burial arrangement of our king that has been in the mortuary for a very long time now. I, Ono of this kingdom, agree with the date Prince Uchechi has chosen for the burial of his father, who has been in the mortuary for a very long time.
Thank you. Thank you very much. My son and I are almost done with the whole arrangement for the funeral ceremony. We would like you to fix a meeting with the other cabinet members. My son and I would like to speak further with them.
It will be done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Ogase, you promised me. You promised me that my son would be released from the prison. Yes, but up to now he's not yet back. And I've not even heard anything from the lawyer nor anybody. Tell me, Ogase, what is happening? What is really going on?
Well, Your Majesty, I discussed with the lawyer yesterday.
Oh, yes. Go on, I'm listening.
Your son has been sentenced to death.
No!
By hanging. Yes. And, Your Majesty, I am sorry, but he will be executed in the next 30 days.
No! You promised me! You made a promise! No!
Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, Uchechi, can you hear me? Alright. Now, here's the way now.
I have done my part of the deal. I want my money immediately.
Agent updates now. They just sentenced him. He's not dead yet. You get your money when he's dead.
Listen to me. We both know he's been sentenced. And there is nothing will stop him from being killed. Yes. Nothing on earth will stop him from being slayed by Indonesian government. You know why? Because Indonesian presidents do not pardon those that are found or caught with drop of cocaine. Yes. So please, I beg you again. I need my money.
Young man, I don't like talking too much. Like I said, I need to get the news of his death with so much evidence before you get your balance. Besides, I heard you collected 15 million naira from the mother.
You should be the one to balance me, you know.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Do not provoke me. Uchechi, do not provoke me. Juwese, ask about me. Ask about me in Indonesia, Ogase. I am number 1 in Asia. If you come to America, I am number 1. If you stroll down to Europe, I am number 1. Nobody messes with me and goes scot-free. Nobody. I have done a lot of business and I've succeeded in it. Nobody jokes with my money. You don't know how I feed. You don't know how I do my business. Now listen, and listen very good. Do not end this call before I kill you.
Really now? Is that what it is now?
Listen to me! Listen to me when I'm talking, don't talk. You know your mates. Whatever business I did with Zundu's mother is the business between both of us, not you. I have done that with her, and I've gotten my pay. Now I want you to pay me my money. Do not joke with me. I repeat myself. My name is Ogaze. Ask about me in Indonesia. Even the president of Indonesia knows me. He comes to my house and wine with me. Do not joke with me.
Wait, you made 30 million naira from one family within a month, and you're still asking for more? Nah, God, let me tell you. I need to confirm that he's dead. In fact, I need to see his corpse before receiving any balance from me. And not that more good.
Uchechi! Uchechi! Well, you just touched the tail of a tiger. You just touched the tail of Ogazi. Nonsense! Nonsense! This is the height of it. This is the height of it! Nonsense!
This guy thinks he knows how to play games. I will tell him that I'm the game master. I'm getting near one duplex, no kuala now. Watch as he forget me now. Yo, what's up? He thinks he's wise. We need to teach him that we are wiser. Delete him.
He really thinks he is smart and he can use me and rubbish me after achieving his dirty aim and after making me to betray my best friend, Prince Uchechi. No.
Liquid! Liquid!
Boss!
Liquid!
Boss!
Liquid!
Boss!
Listen. I want that idiot, that shenanigan, that nitwit. I want him dead. I am talking about Prince Uchechi.
Boss, you know Liquid. Liquid never fell. The man is dead.
Move it. My name is Ogazi. My name is Ogazi. Nobody messes with me and goes scot-free. Nobody. Nobody messes with my money. Nobody messes with me and messes with my money. I go scot-free. Nobody. 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 Nobody messes with my business and goes scot-free. Nobody. Nobody! I am Ogazi! Nobody messes with me and goes scot-free.
Your brother has been sentenced to death, and the execution is in 13 days' time. Why, God, why? God, why? God, why? Why?
You mean you've been going through all this and you never cared to tell me?
Because I am confused. I'm confused. I don't know who to go to, where to run to. I don't even know what to do at the moment.
You should have come to me. We've been friends for over a decade.
That's why I'm here. Yes. Because as you see me right now, I don't think I am capable of losing my husband, my 2 sons, even the throne of Abagana in a space of 4 months. I cannot. You need to help me. You need to. I'm losing it. Help me, help me. I am losing it.
I know someone who can solve your problem.
You do?
Cause destiny approves us. Oh no. I never one day, one family. Oh yeah. Oh, but I ain't in there. You go for one people. Oh yeah. When hate divides us, oh no. Then we wake up, wake up. Oh yeah.
Okazi, stay.
You will get your balance first thing tomorrow morning. Straight to your account.
No problem.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Kai wakene egwu a.
don't share the home, so I had the home, you had the home. You can you don't share the home, so I had the home, so I had the home. I saw a young man in chains, in the pool of his own blood, crying and calling on you for rescue. He's in serious pain.
Hey! Yes! Yes, wise one. He's my son. My only surviving son. Pikonyalmaka, I want you to help me, please. I cannot stand the news of his death, let alone living my life without him. Biko.
You will give bulita. If I ban him off, you put one more. If you will give bulita. If I ban him off, you put one more. If you will give bulita. In the great shrine of Udido, there is always a solution to every problem. I can bring back your son within 2 days.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. That's exactly why I'm here. Oh?
But he has to pay the price with the remaining of his years on earth.
Wise one. I don't understand. I want to say, how?
He will mortgage his total life on earth for his freedom. And to survive the things that are about to happen to him in a foreign land. That is how.
Wise one, please, like how many years are you talking about?
1 year and 6 months after his release from prison.
Wise one, yes, you mean you will bring my son back and he will stay only 1 year and 6 months?
Exactly. And if I don't, he will die in a few days.
Hey!
Oh yeah, oh na na. I am running this race like a winner, fighting this fight like a soldier, and victory is mine. I will never, never back down.
You should have told me that what you do there is give and take. How do you expect me to allow him take my son? Just like that, he will bring him back, and after 6 months, he will take him. Or the possible? It's not possible. Because they will take him. Not possible. I don't tell you that. Don't tell me that.
In this game I've tried, in this game I've tried, it's gonna be dirty, it's gonna be tough, but I never.
But I will always want you to be careful in everything that you do. Stay out of crime and anything that will dent the royal image.
Thank you, my father. My promise to stay out of crime. I promise to just go and do what I have come for. And I promise not to do anything that will dent the image of this royal household.
I still maintain what I said earlier. You have everything you need here. You are the prince, the heir apparent to the throne of Abagana kingdom. Even if you do not wish to work for the rest of your life, you are not going to starve. So why traveling?
My father, the king here, did not bring me up to depend on any man. I just want to go out there and work for myself, you know. Like my age mates, earn some money of my own, establish, invest, and become a good citizen. I promise not to do anything to bring shame to this family. All I need from all of you is just to put me in your prayers, and I'll call home from time to time. I'll miss you, my darling sister. Don't worry, eh? I'll keep in touch with you, okay?
Promise.
I promise.
I miss you, brother.
I miss you, bro. Good.
I miss you.
Daddy?
It's my son.
You take care of yourself, eh? I'll keep in touch.
Okay.
Bye.
Seen my mom in such condition before. She has refused to eat anything or say a word to anybody. I don't understand.
Let me go and see her.
Oh, I will appreciate that. I will. At least you can convince her to eat something. If Kay is not taking, she will starve herself to death. Please.
Worry not. I can handle it.
Really?
Just get her food ready.
Oluchi, please come. Hurry up, Oluchi. Please, eh? Go and prepare my mommy's food. Hurry up, Oluchi. Go, 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 go.
I don't need to ask you what is going on, because I already know. But I want you to understand that the solution to all this problem lies in your hands. Why not consider what the native doctor said and save your only son? And you will have the opportunity to see your son once more. Feel him, hug him, and make him even marry as many women as possible. And they will bear your grandchildren. You will not lose so many things apart from him. Finally, he will be buried in his father's land as the king of Abagana kingdom. Your food will soon be served. I want you at least eat something.
streets. Coming back home to the absence of my brother and my father is enough to bother me. Coupled with the fact that my stepbrother goes around the village throwing money and bribing the elders just so he can be coronated.
He's doing what?
You heard me. But I am sure I know what to do about that.
Oh, that's okay. I think the right thing to do now is you get a wife, pick any maiden of your choice, get married to her, and start giving me grandchildren. You know you can marry as many women as you want. Then after that we can fight for the throne.